Hi guys, this is Graham. I'm back at the Glow Community Center, and today I'll be showing you guys how to do moons. Moons look like this. Now, before you learn this trick, make sure you know how to do a stick grind. If you haven't yet looked at that video, please go check it out right now before you finish this video. First step in doing a moon. Make sure your yo-yo is unmoved. Second, when you did the stick grind, you pointed your stick at the yo-yo to the left and then did the stick grind. But for moons, your stick is gonna point out in the other direction to your right. Your stick is gonna point out. Another thing that might help before you do that actually is to move your yo-yo to your right. Or you can just step forward on your yo-yo's left side. After you point your right stick out to your right, you're gonna put your stick in the center of the yo-yo, like so. Make sure it's perfectly straight and aligned. After your stick is in the right position, gently lift it up and let the yo-yo rest on your stick. Raise it up about 45 degrees. Don't go too high. Right about here. 1, 2, 3, and drop it back down. Now, when you're trying this trick, you might notice when it's up here, your yo-yo is gonna tilt. The reason for that will be either your stick, your right stick is crooked and you're touching one of the cups, or your left hand is pulling too hard when your yo-yo is up here. When my yo-yo is up here, my left hand down here is relaxed. There's very little tension on the string. If you pull too hard, your yo-yo will tilt. So when you're doing this trick, just make sure you're letting the yo-yo rest on your right stick and giving the string just enough tension for the yo-yo to stay there. Don't pull too hard, or else it's gonna tilt. Now, that was the right side, your right. After you're comfortable doing it with your right, you're gonna try the same thing with your left. It'll be the same thing. You stand on your yo-yo's right side this time, with the yo-yo on the left, obviously. Your left stick will be the one pointing out, centered, and raised. You should be comfortable doing it from your right to your left. Right to your left. Make sure you're able to hold the moon for about 3 seconds each side. 1, 2, 3, other side. 1, 2, 3, and back down. Once you're comfortable with that, there are 2 tricks that you could do. First would be letting go of your right stick. So this is my right side. I drop my right stick, let it swing once, back here, and catch. Raise it up. Swing, swing, and catch. After you're comfortable with that, here's a challenge. Raise it up. Instead of dropping it this time, you're actually gonna push and throw it to the other side and make a full circle back. Looks like this. A moon. You're gonna push and throw to the other side and come back. Make sure your sticks do not hit the floor, either you're doing the first variation or the second. Again, here's the first variation. 1, 2, catch. And then the second one. Push to your left, catch. You gotta push up and over. Make sure that your handle, the grip of your stick, goes all the way over. To recap, basic moon. Unlooped yo-yo. Stand next to it. Right stick out. In the center, gently raise it up with a relaxed left hand. 1, 2, 3, and back down. That's it for the moons. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.